Welcome to MathDesk with Umair Anwar. I'm excited to have you here. If you're a student preparing for O-level mathematics, AS-level mathematics, or A-level mathematics exams, then you've come to the right place. At MathDesk, we understand that math can be a challenging subject, but we also believe that it can be fun, practical, and inspiring. That's why we've created a wide range of videos covering all aspects of the O and A-level mathematics syllabus, from basic algebra and trigonometry to advanced calculus and statistics. Our videos are designed to be clear, concise, and engaging, with plenty of examples and practical applications to help you see the relevance of what you're learning. Whether you're preparing for exams, looking to improve your math skills, or just curious about advanced math concepts, we've got you covered. And we don't just focus on the theory. We also provide plenty of practice problems and step-by-step solutions to help you master the material and build your confidence. Our goal is not just to help you ace your exams, but to help you develop a deep understanding and appreciation of the subject. So whether you're studying O-level mathematics, AS-level mathematics, or A-level mathematics, MathDesk is the perfect place for you. Our videos are tailored to the specific requirements of each level, and will help you build a solid foundation of math skills that will serve you well throughout your academic and professional career. So if you're ready to take your math skills to the next level, then MathDesk is the perfect place for you. We can't wait to see what you'll achieve with us by your side. Let's get started.